So looking at this trade this morning, I just quickly want to show you how the trade is being done. So what I do is, okay, I'm looking at AIICO insurance now. AIICO insurance, since the time I bought it, is now making like 14%, 14.47%. So I'll go and look at the chart. When I look at the chart, this month's candle is currently approaching this sell candle. So I don't want to keep holding it. How do I know where to sell now? For instance, I look at it at that price, that's 1 naira 15 kobo. So I'll come to this is where I do the trade. When I select AIICO, I'll see the people that want to buy, the traders that want to sell. So the people that wants to buy, they're actually more than people that want to sell. That's telling me that there is higher probability that we sell higher than the market price. So currently the market price is 1 naira 12 kobo. So if the buyers are more than the sellers, there is higher tendency that price will go up. But let's say I open this chart now and I see that the sellers are more, then I know there is higher probability that I'm going to sell lower. Price is going to come down. That's just the way this thing works. So let me see the buyers wants to buy at 1 naira 10 kobo. The sellers want to sell at 1 naira 12 kobo. So if I want to sell mine too, I can come here and see. So we are looking at the lowest seller here. We are looking at the highest buyer here. Look at the volume again. This is 1.4 million. Then the seller, what's the volume? This is 900,000. So I'll come here and say, okay, let me see if I can sell at the price I want to actually sell is at this price, which is 1 naira 15 kobo. Then I'll come here and I will say 1 naira 15 kobo. Where do I have it? 1 naira 15 kobo is here. So if 1 naira 15 kobo is here, then I still have some people that still want to sell higher. So there's higher the prices I'm going to be supplied before the people that are below me. So I can come here and stay here, or I say, okay, let me still compromise and come to 1 naira 14 kobo because the volume here is high before it will get to me. So I can come to 1 naira 14 kobo. I hope you get it. So that's how I decide which price to sell. If I stay here, you see the volume here is much. This is 3 million units. If I add this one to this one to this one, it's even less than 3 million. So let me not stay with the 3 million units. Let me stay above the 3 million units so that I will get supplied today or tomorrow. So I'll come here and I'll just quickly come and say I want to sell. What's the quantity that I have for that particular stock? I think I have 5,000 units. Come here, 5,000. Want to sell everything. 5,000 units. At what price? I want to sell at 1 naira 14 kobo. And I'll just say review. Tell me how much 1 naira 14 kobo rather. Not okay, cancel. I'm going to sell at 1 naira 14. What quantity? 5,000 units. So when I preview, you tell me how much it's going to be. That's going to be 5,571 naira. So I'll submit. I'll submit. The operation was successful. So that order is going to be added to this price here. That 5,000 units is going to be added to the people that wants to sell at 5,000. So let me now come to my chart here. So from here, from my back end, I can quickly check trade history to see if that order was placed or it was rejected. So this is that's the most recent executed trade. Let me go to open trade. Open trade, yes. So my sell limit is actually being executed. If this order was not approved, it will say rejected. That's the market status. It will tell me that it's rejected. or you tell me maybe the price I quoted is higher than what I can sell in a day, it's going to show that there. So that's how this thing is being done. Thank you for joining me.